In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book cheap flights on Skyscanner. Open your browser and head to skyscanner.com. Once the homepage loads, scroll all the way to the bottom. There you'll find a link to international sites. Click that, then choose the United Kingdom option, labeled GB, cheap flights. Switching to a different regional site can sometimes surface broader deals or slightly different prices, so it's a handy trick to start with. Back on the flight search, enter where you're flying from in the from box and where you're heading to in the to box. Take a moment to verify airport code so you don't accidentally choose the wrong city or a far off secondary airport. Next, pick your departure date from the calendar. If you need a return, select your return date as well. If not, leave it as one way. Now choose the number of travelers and your cabin class if you want to stick with economy. When everything looks right, click search. On the results page, look for the cheapest option and select it. This view helps you quickly identify the best value itineraries, but remember, the very cheapest flights can include longer layovers or stricter baggage policies. So glance at the total travel time. When you're happy, click select and then confirm the cheapest combination among the available outbound and return options. Continue by clicking book now to be taken to the airline or partner where you'll complete the purchase. On the airline's booking page, choose economy, then click select fare. When prompted for baggage, keep the default cabin baggage if you don't need checked luggage, as adding bags can raise the total cost. Click select to lock that in and repeat the same choices for your return flight. Once both directions are set, proceed to the next page. Click add passenger details and carefully fill in each traveler's information exactly as it appears on their travel documents. Double check spellings, dates of birth, and passport details to avoid check-in issues later. When all fields are complete, continue and choose Go to Add-ons. Here, you can review extras like seats, meals, or additional baggage. Only add what you truly need to keep the fare low. Next, you'll reach the review screen. Take a moment to confirm flight times, airports, baggage selections, and the final price. If everything looks good, move on to payment. Enter your payment details on the secure checkout page and follow the prompts to finalize the booking. That's it. Your cheap flight is booked. Safe travels and enjoy the savings.